For news we have أخبار or بشارة Newspaper. For newspaper we have journal or gazzetta Wisdom. Erf or den For invitation we have invite or stedina For animal animal or bima For arch we use arcata or ħnejja For color we have kulur or lewn Patience. Paċenzja or sabar For size daqs or is For question we use mistoqsija or domanda For peace paċi or slim For happiness ferħ or ena For answer we use risposta or tweġiba For future we use futur or ġejjieni For mouth we say ħalq or fom Day we use ġurnata or jum Antique qadim or antique For difficult we use diffiċli or tqil